Healthy living. People always try to improve their living conditions to stay healthy. So, they have tried and become successful in identifying many diseases. They have developed various methods to protect themselves from these diseases. A large number of medicines and instruments have been produced. Here, we will learn about some of the major developments in medical science. Instruments. Clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the human body. Thermometer was invented by G. Fahrenheit in 1714 CE. Sometimes our body temperature increases, resulting in fever. We can accurately measure the temperature with the help of a clinical thermometer. The accurate reading of the body temperature helps doctors in treating the patient. Before the invention of the thermometer, the body temperature was judged by touching the body or by feeling the pulse, which often did not help in treating the patient correctly. Stethoscope. A stethoscope is used to detect and study sounds arising within the body, chiefly in the heart and lungs. This instrument was invented by the French doctor René Laennec. He placed a foot-long wooden cylinder on the chests of his patients. He was able to hear various sounds made by the lungs and heart. It was modified into the modern stethoscope. Microscope. A microscope is used to see very tiny objects which are not visible to the naked eyes. It has been a great help in identifying germs that cause diseases. A device used to see tiny objects was developed by Galileo Galilei in 1609, which was called microscope in 1624. Leeuwenhoek is credited for using a microscope for studying biology. A microscope is used in laboratories and hospitals for various tests like blood, stool, sputum, etc. Modern machines. In the present time, scientists have developed many new machines like X-ray machine, CT scan machine, ultrasound machine, etc. These machines help to find out the condition of all the organs in our body. Methods of treatment. Surgery. Indians were aware of surgery since ancient time. Surgery is the method of treatment of diseases, injuries, and deformities through operations. Now, with the advancement of medical science, many new methods have been developed to operate upon some of the most complex organs like the brain, kidney, and heart. Replacement of damaged internal organs is also possible now by surgery. Medicine. To cure diseases, many effective medicines were prepared. These are as given here. Focus. The acid in our stomach that helps to digest food is strong enough to dissolve razor blades. Chloroform. Chloroform was first prepared by the Scottish physician James Simpson in 1831. He used it as an anesthesia in surgery, and it was accepted by 1853. An anesthesia is given to someone before a medical operation to reduce the feeling of pain or to cause unconsciousness. Penicillin. The discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1928 is an important landmark in the field of medical science. Penicillin acts both by killing bacteria and by stopping their growth. It is one of a group of antibiotics which is used for treating infections and illness. It is effective against various diseases like throat infections, diphtheria, pneumonia, etc. Population control. Because of wonderful developments in medical field, the death rate has decreased. In India, since the birth rate has not come down, that is why the population of India is increasing very fast. This causes shortage of food, shelter, water and employment, etc. This increase in population should be checked. Every country should take proper steps to control the growth of population. People must understand this. Prevention of diseases. Vaccination. Smallpox was a deadly disease and a major cause of death in the 18th century. The vaccine for preventing smallpox was discovered by the British physician Edward Jenner. He observed among his patients that those who had cowpox were resistant to smallpox. In 1796, he inoculated a boy with cowpox virus. After 6 weeks, he inoculated the boy with smallpox virus, but the boy showed no sign of the dreaded disease. So, he developed the anti-smallpox vaccine. Now, it appears that smallpox has almost been completely eradicated using this vaccine. Afterwards, many vaccines were developed to cure tetanus, diphtheria, hepatitis, etc. Louis Pasteur, a French scientist, discovered that most of the diseases were caused by germs. These germs enter our body through food, water, house pests, etc. He recommended that germs could be killed by the process of heating called pasteurization. He developed vaccines for several diseases including rabies. Health care. We must take some common steps to stay healthy. These steps are as given here. 1. We should be careful about our personal cleanliness. 2. We should eat good and healthy diet according to the need. 3. We should do exercise regularly. 4. We should drink clean water. 5. We should wash vegetables and fruits before eating. 6. We should be attentive about the cleanliness of our surroundings. 7. If we do not feel well, we should consult a doctor. Focus. It takes an interaction of 72 different muscles to produce human speech. Focus. Ketchup was sold in 1830s as a medicine.